In this video, you will learn about the differences between the subscriptions, what the jargon on the pricing pages mean, and how to assign a subscription. Each hopper subscription equals one trading robot. So, if you want to have an arbitrage hopper and a regular hopper, you will need two subscriptions. Don't worry, you'll understand what these hoppers are soon. With each subscription, no matter the hopper type, users get a free extra simulator to test strategies and play out trades with fake money. This is called paper trading. As you can see, it is very worthwhile to go for the annual subscription if you have the option, because you get 2 months for free. Now, these packages mention some terms that you might not have heard of before, so let's break a few things down. First, what is a position? A position is nothing more than an active trade your hopper is currently in. Once you have purchased a coin, your hopper waits for it to become profitable in order to sell it. When the hopper is checking the market and waiting for the coin to be profitable, it will be counted as a position. Say that you have the Explorer package and have room for 80 positions. That means your hopper can actively track up to 80 coins at the same time. The 80 positions are not a monthly limitation, but 80 concurrent positions. So once you sell a coin, you free up room for another position to be made. Let's move on to TA intervals, or technical analysis intervals. A TA interval is a cooldown that your hopper goes into once it has finished a full TA searching cycle. The full TA cycle has several steps. First, your hopper scans the markets for all your selected coins. It then checks the retrieved market data against your previous data. Next, your hopper checks the new data and reviews it against your selected technical indicators. If it meets the parameters, your hopper will make a buy. After this step, your hopper goes into a cooldown. This is what we refer to as the TA interval. Once the cooldown is done, your hopper will start the cycle again. The reason why we limit the amount of coins you can select is directly linked to the TA interval cycle. Because the hopper checks each market every cycle, it gets more resource intensive with each additional coin selected. So now that you understand positions, let's go over how to actually assign a hopper. It's pretty straightforward. Go to your hopper overview. There is a subscription button in the top right corner of your web page. Click it to assign your subscription on that page. Easy. Let's recap what we went over. What the subscriptions provide. Each page subscription includes a free paper trader. The annual subscription is worth it. A subscription equals one robot. Let's jump into the next videos where we go over the different dashboards.